Hello everyone, my name is Wang Xu and I come from Catalyst for Eco-Friendly Energy Laboratory Department of Chemical Engineering SKKU. Today I'm going to share with you about chemical transformation of carbon dioxide into value-added oxygenates via homogeneous catalysis. Firstly, actually, as we know that carbon dioxide emission was the main environment issue to lead to the global warming. So it's a big topic to decrease the CO2 emission. As we know that many researchers do research related CO2 capture, CO2 storage, as well as CO2 utilization to produce some value-added chemicals. And also, this is our laboratory. We also worked at catalysis related to carbon dioxide transformation. This is what we are doing in our laboratory. Firstly, we know that CO2 can be transformed to syngas via dry reforming or steam reforming, and then use that syngas as a feed to produce wax and other heavier hydrocarbons by FTS route. And also, we can directly transform the CO2 to methanol, and then from methanol to DME, and also some acid oxygenates, and also ethanol or some carbons use zeolite, combined with zeolite to produce gasoline, night olefins, as well as aromatics. Actually, at present, the chemical utilization various CO2 hydrogenation, actually there are two routes. Like firstly, they can transfer CO2 to methanol and DME firstly, and then transform to gasoline or night olefins or other heavy carbons burning methanol and DME as an intermediate. Also, the other routes would to use CO2 based mechanism. That is, CO2 can be transformed into night olefins firstly, and then use zeolite catalyst to produce heavier hydrocarbons by zeolite catalysis. And our strategy to produce CO2 to oxygenate is like this. Firstly, we use CO2 hydrogen gas to produce DME and methanol, and then combination of DME or methanol to synthesize MA or AA in methyl acetate or acid acetate, as well as further hydrogenation of this MA and AA to produce ethanol. Generally, there is a report that they use this kind of catalysis system to produce ethanol was from a syngas one step. Use randomly loaded their catalyst, different kind of catalyst in one reactor to realize this. So, reasonably, catalyst design seems the key issue in this process. According to that, our strategy for this produce oxygenates was like this. Firstly, as I presented before, CO2 and hydrogen can produce DME and MA and ethanol. Firstly, we synthesize copper nickel nanoparticles in capsule catalyst, and then use this to produce DME and methanol, and then further to carbonation reactions to produce MA and AA. Then firstly we synthesize this step, and then further hydrogenation to synthesize acid. Then that's my top presentation. Thank you.